All right, so 3 things. Number 1, hope that's not too noisy. Everybody's passing now. I will be with you very soon.
Sure, don't
My friend Michael is waiting for me, so I'm gonna make this nice and short. So number 1, I recorded a new live set. It's 45 minutes long. I recorded it with another artist, Omar Peruzza, and the video is already uploaded to this channel, so you can go enjoy it, watch it with your friends while you party or while you work out like I do. I'd be actually interested in knowing when and why you watched it, so please let me know in the comments below or via Instagram and Facebook at Mod0Official. Number 2, if you're curious about the story behind the live set, there's a making of video that I'm sure you will enjoy. Also, this video is already published on this channel. I mentioned this because looking at the numbers, many of those who have seen the full set haven't seen the making of, and vice versa, those who have seen the making of haven't seen the live set yet. This is because many of you probably weren't able to see the visual links that connect the 2 videos. It happens, for example, if you watch the videos on Facebook or across other networks, and this is why I suggested to watch the videos on YouTube to get a more immersive experience. You see, when you watch the videos on YouTube, you can click or touch links on the screen that reveal additional content. This is all part of the wonderful ecosystem that YouTube offers to creators like me to deliver more entertaining and engaging video experiences, and to people like you to enjoy them. And number 3, I don't want to wait to have 1 million subscribers to thank you all. So far there are 40 people who subscribe to this channel, and I want to thank each and every one of you for the support. All I know is that with 40 people in a room, we could have a freaking awesome party, so I can't wait to see this number growing. And when I think that I started to post these videos because of you and your interest in what I do, your interest in my creative musical project, well, I think this is turning into a pretty amazing adventure. So the next goal is 100 subscribers. If we reach 100 subscribers, something cool will happen. Let's make it happen together. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe now. And if you have already subscribed, please feel free to share this channel with other like-minded friends and invite them to subscribe. It helps a lot. That's it. Enjoy Spaceflight, the live set, the making of, and subscribe. I'm off because Michael is waiting. All right, done.
Yeah, I cannot find my shoes.
And now it's time to climb.